Hiya crafters, Amy here, and I have a little scrapbook haul to share with you today. I just got an order and I'm gonna open it here with you. So I'm pulling out the packaging here, see what we got. Nice little box here. Okay, first of all, sorry for all the packaging sound here, but they have everything packaged all nice and separate here. Okay, I did it again. I got more embossing folders. They just keep adding new ones, and I can't resist. I have no self-control. I love these 3D embossing folders from Altenew. So this is the Geo Diamonds 3D. So you can see the picture here. I love when they give you that little image to see what it's going to look like. I got that one. This is another new one. Woods Rose 3D. Isn't that pretty? I love these. They make such quick and stunning cards. I can't even handle it. Oh yeah, there's a nice picture on the back too. See, nice and big. And another one. Flower bed. You can see this one covers like the whole front of it. So that'll be really cool with just like a, you know, pretty metallic die cut. Don't really need to do anything, especially, or you could do like a metallic cardstock to begin with, and then it's going to be super wowza. But so pretty. Flower bed 3D. And these are all 6x6, so your A2 size panels will fit in them. And then Checkered Diamonds 3D. This one's super cool. Love this. Okay, and then I got one that's not Altenew, but I've been wanting it for a while because my husband is an engineer. He's an engineerd, if you will. And I can see me using this for him. This circuit board. Really super cool. So this is called, what's it called? Where is it? It's got all these different, is it Texture Fades? Or is that the brand? Oh, just Circuit. Wow, okay. Circuit. There you have it. Okay, this I'm really excited about. This big old Fatty McGee die here. This would be awesome for a focal point. Here's an A2 size card for reference. You could see. You guys know I'm going to do some like stenciling for the background and then have this beautiful big die cut. But see, what I love about this, look. The tittle is attached. Tittle is attached. So, no rogue tittles. You don't have to try and find it, flying all around. That's my favorite. When they're all connected in one easy piece like this, that's my jam. Okay. Now what else we got? More plastic sound. Sorry. Shield your ears. Okay. Honestly, it's been a little bit, so I kind of don't remember what all I got. I got more mint tape because it's back in stock. Very excited. Scrapbook mint tape is my favorite. It was out of stock for Everdays and I ran out, but I'm happy to get more. So there's that. Oh, this. Look. So pretty. Okay, so you guys might know I don't collect the full-size distress inks. I collect the distress oxides in the full size because that's the only option. But for the inks, distress inks, which are dye, I only do the minis. And I store them in those little plastic containers that you may have seen me show you before in a storage, a previous storage video. But these are the newest 4: Salvage Patina, Prize Ribbon, Villainous Potion, and Saltwater Taffy. So super excited to add those into my lineup. Okay, I have, ooh, this is cool. Picket Fence Thanks Topper. So this will be super cool just to add like a band across the front of a card, because you guys know I love die cuts. I love stenciling and die cuts. They go hand in hand. So this will be really cool, and I love the size of it. Let's see, it's about, let's see how tall is this. Yeah, it's substantial. It's about a 1.25 inches high. Is that right? Yeah, about 1.25 inches high. So that's substantial on the front of a card. And again, all attached. Don't have to mess with little fiddly bits. It's my favorite. Okay. What's this? Wild and Free. Well, that's cool. Something they included in there. Some information. And then here's another one. Whoa! I didn't realize this one was so big. I guess it makes sense. It's for slimline. But I would probably just, you know, cut it down to A2 size because that's more my jam. But same thing. All connected. And super easy to use. So there you have it. That's my little haul. Not much to share today, but I hope you like what I got, and I will be sure to make videos using this good stuff. So I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.